In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a contact on Google Meet. Whether you're trying to manage your work environment or simply want more control during your virtual interactions, knowing how to block contacts can be incredibly useful. Let's delve into the process and ensure you have a smooth experience. First, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Google Meet website. Simply type in meet.google.com into your browser's address bar, and you'll be transported to the homepage of Google Meet. Once you're there, you'll see a few options at your disposal. Today, our focus will be specifically on managing contacts within your calls, so look towards the top of your screen. You'll find a tab labeled Calls. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the calls you've participated in recently. Now that you're looking at the list of previous calls, take a moment to identify the contact you'd like to block. This list provides an overview of your recent conversations, enabling you to easily pinpoint the contact in question. Once you've located the relevant call, the next step will be to delve deeper into the options available for this specific contact. Moving your attention to the right side of the contacts row, you'll spot an icon that represents More Options. It usually appears as 3 vertical dots, a common symbol for a drop-down menu in many online applications. Clicking on this icon will reveal a variety of actions you can take. From the drop-down menu, one of the simplest yet most effective options is Block User. By choosing this option, you're selecting to prevent further interactions from this specific contact on Google Meet. It's a decisive action that offers you more control over your online meetings and can help maintain the integrity and comfort of your virtual space. After clicking on Block User, you'll likely encounter a confirmation prompt. This is Google Meet's way of confirming your intentions before making this significant change. Read through this prompt carefully to understand the implications. If you're sure about moving forward, confirm your choice by selecting the option to block. This will finalize the action, ensuring that this user can no longer contact you through Google Meet. These steps provide a straightforward approach to managing your contacts on Google Meet. Blocking a user can be an essential tool for maintaining a professional and stress-free digital meeting environment. It's as simple as accessing the calls list, identifying the contact, and navigating through the options to securely block them. The process is designed to be user-friendly while giving you the power to control who can reach out to you. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on these steps.